Hey guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this DIY moisturizing body lava. So if you're interested, just stay tuned. So all you're going to need is some body oil gel, a bottle, loose glitters. I have a gold one, a champagne colored one, and a pink one, and a funnel. And then all I'm going to do is put the gel into the bottle using the funnel. I prefer to use this body oil gel instead of like baby oil because it's not as watery. And then I'm just going to put each of the colors of the loose glitters into the gel just to give it more dimension so that it's not just like one color. So you'll see like little bits of shades of all three glitters. I got the body oil gel from Walmart for like $2 or $3, and I got the glitters from this brand called Glossy Certified. I'll have the link in the description box below. Now I'm just going to be stirring and shaking everything all together. I was hoping that the mixture wouldn't be too thick for the spray bottle. Like I was hoping I would be able to spray this onto me, but it didn't work, so I ended up just using this spray bottle for the stem, and like I was just using the stem to stir, but then I am going to put like a squeeze top on it, as you're gonna see. As you can see, it applies really thick, so it's not runny or drippy or anything, and it also doesn't stain at all. Like if anything, it might like be oily, but there's no like brown residue or staining. Now I'm just showing you how it looks outside so that you can see how the glitter catches the sun. That's really all there is to it. You could do this in under 5 minutes for under $5. If you guys have any questions, just comment below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!